As the morning sun rises, the forest comes to life with its vibrant colors and cheerful sounds. Let's embark on a journey to meet our adorable forest friends. Every friend here has a special sound they love to share with the world. When their sounds combine, it's like a symphony of nature's own creation. In this enchanting forest, the unity of these lovely creatures fills the air with happiness and harmony.